Module 1. What is electricity? Understanding current and voltage. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, learners will be able to define current and voltage in simple terms, describe how electrons flow in a circuit, understand the role of a power source, battery, in generating current, interpret simple circuit diagrams with a power source and wire concept. Brief: electricity is the flow of tiny charged particles called electrons. Imagine electricity like water flowing through a pipe. Voltage is the pressure pushing the water, and current is how fast the water flows. In a circuit, voltage, V, is the potential difference provided by a power source like a battery. Current, I, is the rate at which the electric charge flows. Without voltage, there is no current. Key equation. Preview: voltage equals current times resistance. We'll explore this more in Module 3. Worked example. Question: if a battery is connected to a wire but there's no break in the loop, what happens? Answer: electrons start flowing from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. That's your current. The battery provides voltage to push them along. In-class exercise. Task: draw a simple circuit that includes a battery, 2 wires, and a light bulb. Discussion: where does the current start? What happens if one wire is removed? How do you know the circuit is complete? Discussion prompt: why do you think voltage and current are compared to pressure and flow in a pipe system? What other analogies can you think of? Let students share water, road traffic, or other creative analogies.